My name's Mark Ruddock and I work for a charity called the Golden Eagle Trust, which is an Irish charity, and we're one of 11 project partners in the CANN project, which is looking at the restoration of habitats and species across Ireland, Northern Ireland and Scotland. So the CANN project is an amazing project working to try and restore various landscapes, and the key underpinning factor for many of the species is the condition of the habitats. If the habitats are right, the birds will be there,